Hi everyone, my name is piterpakulski. Today we'll continue building financial model of a vending machine. We have 200 of vending machines. We have a network of vending machines, and today we will finally get the revenues. So we have the month and year when we have the first month of operating activity for each vending machine in our we can switch on and off different vending machines from our calculations, and we have different speed of reaching the planned revenues for each vending machines. And now it's time to put these values inside the timeline and to calculate the revenues. So what I'm now, by the way, give us a like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. You can order financial models from scratch
for your unique business ideas. We can help you with that. First of all, let's copy the timeline.
So here will be the first year of operating activity. Reaching planned revenues. This will be percentage values in this table. I will copy this . So I will start writing the following formula. So these are the numbers. These are the numbers of operating activity stage for each vending machine. So this is the first month of operating activity, the second, the third, the fourth, and we have to assign this or that percentage value of reaching the planned revenue to each vending machine. So if this equals to 0, then we put 0, otherwise if this equals to 1, we will go up to the core. We will go up to the core. We will move to the right. Here is the speed of reaching the planned revenues, and I will put here this value, freezing the column. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, more than 12, then 0, and then we are closing brackets. What we are doing now, we are placing here the number of month of operating activity: third month, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, Then if it is more than 12, this value will be extrapolated. This value will be extrapolated. Then we are going up. Then we take U, V, W, X, Y, Z, then AA, AB, AC, AD, AE, AF, and finally AG. Now we are extrapolating this formula to the bottom. And to the right. So now we've created the steps of reaching the planned revenues for each vending machine. So when it starts operating activity, you can see how the revenue is growing, reaching the maximum value. Maximum value is 100%. Then the next step, we have to place here the amount of customers with seasonality. Amount of customers plus seasonality. Step 1. Step 1. So here we will take format cells. We will use these cells as numbers. So what I will take, I will go up to the core. Here is the amount of customers. Here is the amount of customers inside a typical year, and I'm taking these values. So I'm taking here this value. So this is the amount of customers inside a typical year with seasonality coefficient. Then I will do the same for the next year. Then the next step, I will have to crop these values. And start them from the moment when we start the operating activity. So I will copy this table, amount of customers plus seasonality, step 2. So this is a simple story. We just multiply the table we've just calculated. This table, we multiply it on these percentage values, starting with the specific moment when we start the revenues for each vending machine. Then I will extrapolate this formula to the bottom and to the right. So this is the final amount of customers, amount of checks, and we know the average check for each vending machine, and now we can finally calculate the revenues. So we copy this table, we'll call it revenues final. So what I will do now, I will just press equals, take the amount of customers, then I will go to the core, find the average check for each vending machine. Here it is. Freeze the column. And now I can simply extrapolate this formula to the bottom and to the right to get the revenues. So don't pay attention to these numbers. You can set up your own data. I just imagined all the inputs for this model. I'm just showing you how you can create, the way you can create this model. So here you can see how the revenues, are growing step by step, starting from specific moment when we start this or that vending machine. So if you find this video valuable, you may give us a like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. You can order financial models from scratch for your unique business ideas. We can help you with that. So see you guys in next videos. Thank you and bye.